Years and 50 days, the time is passing by. Nothing in this world could be as nice as you and I. And how could we break up like this? And how could